Hello everyone, how are you doing? Today I'm going to talk to you about something very interesting. It's something I'm very excited about and something which is really close to my heart. I'm actually going to talk about the advice I wish I was given when I was 20 years old. So stay tuned and tell me in the comments if you like this kind of content, what you loved from this video, and do not forget to like this video because it helps spread the word. Share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel. So my first piece of advice is please take care of your health. You know what is going to be your longest partner in your entire life journey? आपके साथ आपका बॉयफ्रेंड नहीं होगा, your future husband will not be responsible for it, but what you really need to take care of is your body. तो अच्छा खाना खाइए, healthy खाना खाइए, don't dump junk in your body, and exercise, play around, play any sports you like, dance if that's something that gives you happiness. Do yoga, go hiking with your friends, because what's going to happen is 20 years later your knees are going to start hurting, and if you've had a very bad posture, like I also tend to slouch down, then you'll have all sorts of aches in your neck and your back. And if you don't take care of your body, then no matter how much you earn and no matter how great relationships you might have, you're not going to feel too happy about your life. Dusri advice, make sure that you work hard enough, that you study hard enough, that you plan your activities and your future so well that you make sure that you're financially independent. I can't stress on how important this is. Make sure you earn a good degree for yourself. Make sure that you learn how to get passive sources of income, because all of us will go through a rainy day. Tough times will happen, and if you don't have a rainy day fund, then life is going to get really hard. When you're 20, we don't realize that what adulthood is really all about and how life would take turns, but just make sure that you save before you spend. Third thing, जब हम अपने 20s में होते हैं, हमें पता नहीं होता exactly कि हमें क्या अच्छा लगता है, but we all know that we are unique. We know that some things we like and some things we don't like, but maybe we're not so sure about them. So how do we figure out that what is it that we're meant to do in life? And 20s is a really young age to, settle down with a job and figure out that this is what I'm going to do for the rest of my life. So if you're an engineering student, don't just get stuck to your degree or your education. Make friends who are artists, make friends who are studying history. Explore, as much as you can. Travel as much as you can, as much as you wish to, and do different internships, read different books, make all sorts of different kind of friends, because you learn from different people, you learn from books as perhaps you don't from anything else. And then gradually you will figure out what is it that you don't like. Sometimes it's easier to eliminate than select that what you want to do in life. So don't get pushed into settling for a degree. Don't get pushed into settling for a particular life partner, and don't get pushed into settling in a particular city. So go out, explore and experiment and discover your unique. Fourth thing is, what I have learned in last 15-20 years is life is 10% of what happens to you and 90% of how you react to it. I had never thought that, I would finally settle in Chandigarh. I always loved Delhi. I always thought I would live in Delhi for my entire life. But of course, life has different plans. We can keep planning and we can keep dreaming about, what her and how a life will turn out to be. And it's cute, but life has its own plans, and it's okay to be more spontaneous. It's best to go with the flow, because what is right is to weave your own story, and how is it that you tell your story to other people. जब हम अपनी 20s में होते हैं, हमको बहुत काम होते हैं, हमको पूरी लाइफ में बहुत काम होते हैं, बट 20s में, कॉलेज लाइफ में, अपनी अर्ली जॉब डेज में, वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू सो मेनी थिंग्स टुगेदर. हमको पढ़ना होता है, हमको एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ करनी होती हैं, हमको फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली के साथ घूमना होता है, हमको नई नई जगहें एक्सप्लोर करनी होती हैं, नए रेस्टोरेंट्स में खाना खाना होता है, नई बुक्स पढ़नी होती हैं. And that new sense of freedom that you get as soon as you step out of school is something we all want to really enjoy and make the best of. But always keep one thing in mind, that those days seem to be really long, but the years are short, and we won't even realize how quickly our college life gets over, our 20s get over. So keep a journal, record what you did in that day, record what you might be grateful for, record what books you read, record about the people you met, write about what you did in college, how your first manager was like at work, and write how you felt towards them, write what you learned from them. उनसे आपने क्या सीखा, आपने जो एक पर्टिकुलर काम किया, आप उसको कैसे डिफरेंट तरीके से कर सकते थे. अगर आपको वो दोबारा काम दिया जाए आगे, तो आप उसे करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे, आपको कैसी बुक्स पढ़नी अच्छी लगती हैं, आपको किस तरीके की जगहों पे खाना खाना अच्छा लगता है. 6th थिंग, अपनी लाइफ को किसी और लाइफ के साथ कभी मत कंपेयर करिए. I feel I'm very lucky. When I was in college and when I was in my 20s, there was no social media. But to be honest, I would still compare my life and my job and my marks with my peers. And maybe I still do to some extent, but I don't think it's the right thing to do. And I'm sure a lot of people tell you that it's just not right. In a way, social media has created a lot of undue stress on us. जो आप लाइव इंस्टाग्राम रील्स और टिकटॉक पे देखते हैं, it's a very small part of that person's life. So don't compare on how happy they look, कि उन्होंने कितने सुंदर कपड़े पहने हैं और वो कितने खुश लग रहे हैं और वो कितनी बढ़िया जगहों पे ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं. Because everybody has demons in their lives. Everybody is scared of two things. They're scared of looking stupid, and they're scared of failure. I'm also scared that I might be looking stupid in this video. If I am, then don't comment. But just live your own life the best that you can. पिछली बात से related एक और बात बताती हूँ. When I was 20, or when anyone is 20, you care a lot about what everyone thinks. हम बहुत सोचते हैं दुनिया क्या सोचेगी. When you're 40, you realize that there's no point in caring about what everyone thinks. And what I've learned from my elders is, when you're 60, you realize nobody was even thinking about you. So don't give yourself grief. Don't worry about what the world is saying कि दुनिया क्या कहेगी. People like gossiping. They will give your parents a lot of grief about what you're doing, but nobody cares. They have their own problems, they have their own anxieties, they have their own issues that they're dealing with, and nobody is thinking about what you're doing in life. So live a free life, live to your full potential, and enjoy it. Point number 9 is a very important point. Always remember that your expectations are the only ones that you need to meet. Society will set a certain benchmarks. Your family and friends will also set a certain benchmarks and deadlines. Get married by a certain age, have kids by a certain age, choose a certain career, but try not to fall into that sort of pressure. Take your own decisions as much and wherever possible. Learn to experiment, learn to have a voice, and take your own decisions. If you want to experiment in a creative field, you want to change your career, go ahead and do it, because it's your life. You need to take your decisions for yourself. Next thing I want to tell you is, and it's really important, that you really invest in yourself. Invest in your career, invest in learning new courses. It could even be, something much more personal. It could be your health. It could be even therapy sessions. If you feel that your relationships are suffering, then seek professional help. If you feel that your career needs a boost, get a career coach on board. So whatever area in your life you feel needs improvement, spend on it, rather than spending on clothes and other physical assets. The best investment that you can make is on your career, and more importantly, on your health. The last thing that I want to share with you is, nothing worth having in life comes easy. Whether it's a happy marriage, or a meaningful friendship, or a fulfilling career, or a healthy body, it all requires a lot of hard work. So keep persisting, keep pushing yourself, and try to be better every day. If you liked whatever that I just shared with you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel and share it with your friends. And if you want to see more such content, share your learnings from your 20s, then please share them in the comments below.